What does a movie feel like when you cannot see it? When explosions become silent? When laughter becomes a whisper lost in the dark? For millions around the world, stories begin and end before they're ever truly told. But one woman saw beyond the blackout. Welcome to another episode of Leading Ladies. Meet Deepti Prasad, a dreamer, a doer, a changemaker. She imagined a world where the visually impaired could not just hear cinema, but experience it. And she turned that dream into reality. Deepti grew up with many things: education, travel, opportunity. But instead of building just another product, she chose purpose. She asked a question most wouldn't even think to ask. What if cinema could be reimagined, so even those who cannot see can feel every moment? That question became her mission, and that mission became Novaflix. Deepti built Novaflix, an OTT platform where the visually impaired can enjoy movies with joy, with comfort, and with dignity. She didn't just build another streaming service. She built equity. Deepti walked a path where few women dared to go and became the leader of a tech platform that cares. She believes one thing deeply: there is no gender to technology. Every time Deepti entered a room, she wasn't just another woman in tech. She was a leader. She didn't wait for permission. She took what she had and built change.
India is home to approximately 7 crore visually impaired. Indian cinema has been existing since 1913. Why should these 7 crores be left out from this experience? And it's not only just entertainment, but it is also social inclusion. That was my biggest push, that all these old content which are already existing in the public domain needs to be made accessible for the visually impaired. And that's how we started working on Novaflix and launched it in 2023.
Her work has opened the world of cinema to thousands, bringing films to life for those who had long been left out. Because stories aren't just entertainment, they're culture, they're connection.
मैं एक्चुअली लेट भी आई हूँ तो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, बल्कि क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस यही है कि हमेशा जो चीज़ें देख के मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है।
तो हमारे पास में काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट आते हैं जो बाय बर्थ ब्लाइंड होते हैं, जो एंटरटेनमेंट से बहुत दूर होते हैं। हम लोग उन्हें नोवाफ्लिक्स से इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं, इंस्पिरेशनल मूवीज़ हों या एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए हों।
मुझे याद है रात भर जाग के मैंने मूवीज़ देखी थी और लगभग 15 से 20 दिन में सारा कंटेंट मैंने ख़त्म किया था इसका। इट वाज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस।
जब से न्यूज़ आई है कि कोई ऐसा एप्लीकेशन आया है जो ऑडियो डिस्क्राइब्ड मूवीज़ अवेलेबल करवाता है, तब से मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। मैं काफ़ी मूवीज़ मैंने देखी हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है।
And in 2024, the nation took notice. Deepti was awarded the National Award for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Sarvashrestha Anusandhan, presented by the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
I think we all conditioned wrong when we start limiting that, this is a male-oriented job and this is a female-oriented job. I think one must have believe in your own potential. If you are interested, genuinely want to build a career around technology, why not? It should not limit because of your gender. That's being very biased. So believe in yourself. If you know you have the potential, even if you fail, we end up always learning out of our failures. So take that chance for yourself and explore. Go make that attempt.
Deepti's story reminds us that true innovation doesn't start with technology. It starts with empathy. In a world built for the eyes, she dared to build for those who navigate by sound, by memory, by emotion. She didn't ask for inclusion, she designed it. Deepti's journey is proof of what happens when bold ideas meet kind hearts. It's a reminder that compassion can shape technology and that one woman's vision can change how the world sees.